Yo, Old Massey back with another video. Today, we got a little something for Sabri here. You know what I mean? I'm pretty excited. You can read the title. I got a new axle back. It's nothing legit, just a little piece together thing. Let me show you. It's a Flowmaster FX muffler. Let me see here. Here she is with the big boy tip on it. I think he said it's like 4.5 or something like that, 4-inch tip. It's gonna look real good. That chrome's gonna look real good pointing out the back there. You see high quality welds. I made sure there's no holes or nothing. He was getting rid of it because he said he was getting old and wanted his car quiet again. The dude looked like 30 something, so. Oh well, his loss, my gain. I'm a young boy trying to get loud, so yeah. This thing's super comfortable. And I'm trying to keep myself on the mindset of daily and just trying to pay it off faster. But what you gonna do? All right, when you're fiending some noise, because that intake noise is nice, okay? I need a little bit come out the back too, because I like, you know, when you go into a tunnel, you know what I mean? And your intake screaming, you want a little bit out the back too, not just, you know what I mean? That ain't fun. I want to hear what this 4-banger sounds like, you know what I mean? Let me show you what's cracking. Down here, you'll see, bam, the hanger is right there, and then it bolts right there. Y'all, to be honest, I don't know why this one's being so difficult. At this point, just brake, bolt. Just fucking brake, man. There we go. Haha. Hey. Does that look right? Looks exquisite to me. Looks exquisite. Go behind. Of course, they put it right there. That shit would be dirty. Gone. Damn, that shit sounded vicious. Things sounded vicious. All right, y'all. As you just saw, it's been a few hours since. Wow. A whole lot happened. You saw the bolt snapped. I tried for a second. Then I said, screw it. I took it to the shop right next to my house here for them to get the bolt out. And I gotta show you what they did. I ended up taking out the nut on the backside. There used to be a nut right here, right? And it'll just bolt into the nut, cool, with the spring bolt. They shaved off the nuts on both of them, so now it's just gonna be like a bolt and nut setup instead of the bolt going into the nut that's on the pipe. So yeah, now I gotta do my own custom little bolt setup. Let's see how that works. Got my washers and stuff. I've done some ghetto rig setup like this before. Shouldn't be a problem. I'm just hyped to finally get this thing on. And this thing sounds badass with the muffler delete, not gonna lie.